Hello everyone, I am Dr. Monica Agrawal, a practicing gynecologist in Andheri East. Welcome to my channel Her Care Clinic. Today I'll be speaking about a test which most of the females must have done or will be doing in their lifetime, and that is the urine pregnancy test, which is also called as a home pregnancy test. Now why it is called as home? Because it can be done easily at home. So I'll be covering under the following topics. First, I'm going to talk about the basis of doing a urine pregnancy test. Second, there's some precautions what you need to follow. Third, about the method, and fourth, about the interpretation. Now coming to the first part, that is the basis. Now why we do a urine pregnancy test? When the pregnancy is there is a release of hormone, that is beta HCG, from the placenta. Now this beta HCG can be picked up, either it can be picked up in the blood or in the urine, and when we do it in a urine, it is called as a urine pregnancy test. Now when to do the urine pregnancy test, that is another question. You can do the urine pregnancy test usually 1 to 2 days after you miss your period, or if you want a more precise result, then you should do it 1 week after you miss your periods. But then this is only for those who have a regular period. If you have an irregular period, then definitely it is a challenge that when you should do it. So suppose if you have a negative test, I would request you to do it again after a week, or you can go for a more precise test, that is the beta HCG test. I'll be coming in detail later on. Now we move on to the precautions what you need to follow before you do the test. So definitely before doing the test, you are going to purchase the packet. Now when you purchase the packet, look for two things. First of all, just see that it is leakage proof, and second is check for the expiry date. When to do the test? Now most of us have the myth that it should be a morning urine sample. I will say okay, it is partly right, that definitely it should be morning urine sample, because the morning urine is a concentrated urine, and definitely if it is concentrated, the amount of HCG what we guess should be more. But it is not like that. Even if you are holding urine for 3 to 4 hours, it will give us a quite a accurate result. So the thing is that it should be a concentrated urine. Just take care that before doing the urine test, just so that you pass urine, don't have lot of fluid. Just have few patience for few minutes or few hours. Wait for some time. Once you feel like you have not passed urine for 3 to 4 hours, then you collect the urine sample. Okay, now coming to the method how to do the urine pregnancy test. Now when you buy, there will be a pouch. When you open the pouch, you will get this, that is the pregnancy kit, and you will get a pipette. Now either you can collect the urine in the pouch which is provided to you, or sometimes there is now this is a different one, but sometimes you may get an indicator strip. So you just have to put it in the urine, and a few drops will get collected, and you have to see it. Now in this test, if you collect it in the urine, how you are going to do it? Now once you collect it, you have to put with the pipette some drops inside this small hole which is provided. Now you will see that the urine will spread. Now if you can closely observe, there are two lines. There is one T, there are two symbols, one is T and one is C. Now when you put urine, there will be a line on the C. Okay, so somewhat you will get it like this. So this is a C line, that is control line. Now this is very important. It will tell us whether the urine is adequate or not. And suppose if there is no line at all, even at the C, if there is no line, that means this kit is invalid. You have to do it with another kit. Okay, so that guides us in a way that whether the kit is proper or not. Now at the T side, if there is no line, that means it is a negative test. So I'll talk about the interpretation. Now interpretation has to be done within 5 minutes of doing the test. Just don't keep the kit and then see it after some hours. It may give you inaccurate results. So see it immediately within 5 minutes. Now when you see there, you will get three things. Either it will be negative, or it will be faintly positive, or third thing, it might be positive. Now सबसे पहले, if it is negative, a negative means only there is one single dark line. Now this is a negative test. Now if this is negative, and if your periods are regular, and if you have missed your period, then less likely you are pregnant, because a negative test will show that you are not pregnant. But the tricky situation is when your periods are irregular. Now if your periods are irregular and if you get a negative test, then that doesn't mean that that doesn't 101% rule out pregnancy. Now in that case, either you wait for 1 week and then again repeat the urine pregnancy test, or second option is you can go for a blood test, that is beta HCG test, which will give us a precise and accurate result. Okay, Another thing is either it can be a faintly positive test. Now faintly positive is like the, you can see the C line, but the T line, okay, will be very faintly visible. Now again, this is a confusing situation. In this case, what you can do is either you can repeat the test after 1 week to see whether it becomes positive or not. Now this can be because of a very early pregnancy, okay, or it can be because of an ectopic pregnancy where the pregnancy is there inside the tube. So don't panic, not necessarily a faint positive line suggests that there is a problem. Wait for some days, repeat it again after a week, or second option is you go for beta HCG, consult your doctor, and definitely your doctor will do the needful. And third thing is the line will be, there will be 2 dark lines, and this definitely says that you are pregnant. Okay, so this is how you're going to do the interpretation. I know it is a little confusing, but believe me, if you follow the precautions, if you do it at the accurate time, that is 1 to 2 days after you miss period, or to be more precise, 1 week after you miss periods, in case if your periods are regular, it should give us an accurate result. Definitely more precise is beta HCG, but then beta HCG is very costly test, and this is a very easy test which can be done at home. So you can do this test, and if you have any queries, then you can put it in the comment section. We'll be more than happy to help you. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you. Take care.